doing this morning is revamping this birthday cake that I made for the last birthday club. So I'll link the original video. This was a lampshade that I picked up from the Goodwill outlets, and what I'm doing is just taking off all the pearls and then the hot glue as well. I wanted to use some pink. So I have these Dollar Tree stickers. And then I have some of these white roses that I think I'd like to add. So I'm just going to cut these right off the stem. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. I hope you liked my first thrift flip project. And this video is part of the open collaboration Thrift Flip Road Trip, hosted by Our Green Acres and the Crafting Cousins. Now let's jump into the second flip. I got this tray at the thrift store for $3.99. I love the octagonal shape, but I wasn't crazy about the print. So I gave it a couple coats of gloss white spray paint. And then I found these beautiful geometric wallpaper sheets at Dollar Tree. So I used them to cover the bottom of the tray. And I think it came out beautifully. Let me know what you think in those comments. Here's the end result. And to me, it was not hard to do. The hardest part was trying to line up the geometric pattern in the seam. I did the best I could. Right here, I got a little off track, but I think on a whole, it's not too bad. Now I'm gonna come around with some Rub and Buff, and this is in Gold Leaf. It's a shadow box frame, very pretty, in gold. I don't want to change the color, but I do want to change it from a frame into a tray. So that is what I'm going to work on. And I'm going to decoupage this beautiful tissue paper that I believe I got from Dollar Tree during the holiday season. I'm going to decoupage that onto the back and retain the front side as is, just in case I want to use it as a front. And this helps to get all of the air bubbles out. Then I'm going to come over that with a little bit more Mod Podge. Well, this is actually something I got from the discount store. I was in there one day. It's decoupage glue, but Mod Podge, same thing. Okay. Next, I had on hand some gold drawer pulls, and I'm using some clear Gorilla Glue to attach them to the bottom to use as feet for my tray. I wasn't too crazy about the unfinished edge, so I came back in with some gold beading that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I think it gave the piece that finishing touch that it needed. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed the pieces that I've put together for you today. And if you did, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Please be sure to visit our hosts, Our Green Acres, and the Crafting Cousins, and show them some love. Let them know that Amethyst sent you. And visit the playlist for some awesome thrift flip inspiration. Thank you so much for watching today. And until next time.